All parties Hurriyat Conference has denounced the deprivation of the social rights in the occupied Kashmir. According to Kashmir Media Service, APHC, in a statement issued on the World Day of the Social Justice in Srinagar, said the people of the territory, along with the minorities including the Muslims in India, have been denied the social justice. A protest demonstration was held in Muzaffarabad, Azad Kashmir, against the visit of the Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi to the occupied Kashmir today. According to Kashmir Media Service, the protesters gathered at the Burhan Wani Shaheed Chowk in the city and raised anti-India and resolute pro-freedom slogans. All parties Hurriyat Conference Azad Jammu and Kashmir convener Mahmood Ahmad Sagar has denounced the Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit to Jammu, terming it as nothing more than a political ploy. According to Kashmir Media Service, Sagar criticized the visit, saying that it aimed to promote a false narrative of peace and normalcy. On the occasion of the World Day of the Social Justice, concerns have arisen regarding the treatment of the minorities in India under the Modi government. Highlighted in a report released by the research section of Kashmir Media Service, the Muslim, the Christian, Dalit and the Sikh communities expressed profound fear and insecurity stemming from the systematic oppression and the policies. An Indian Central Reserve Police Force officer died of a suspected cardiac arrest during duty hours in the Kupwara district. According to Kashmir Media Service, the CRPF sub-inspector rank officer, namely Mohan Lal of the 162 Battalion, complained of acute chest pain and fell unconscious during duty hours in the district. An elderly man was found dead under mysterious circumstances in the Riyasi district. According to Kashmir Media Service, Muhammad Mustafa was found dead under suspicious circumstances inside a tempo. On the other hand, dead body of a person was recovered from the river Chenab in Seri area of the Ramban district.